wet in there! Coffee, guys. So there's Mindo. It's very small now.
Yeah, I see.
What is? Oh, it pooped! It made shit! I made poop! So right now me, Cleverson and Anoshka has been coming to the waterfall places, but we are unfortunately gonna break up. Well, I'm gonna go another route because I've been here before. The first time I was here with like the bird watching guys. Hey! We're back! Go! Oh! We took like a way, which they are gonna take now, which is the most beautiful one I suggest. And I'm gonna take another route, which I have not been walking. That is the plan. And then we meet up here again.
Good prepared with some mosquitoes.
Yeah. And even though I get bitten. Bad. Yeah.
See you.
Good luck. Have fun. Disfruta las cascadas. All alone, just you and me. Oh yeah, let's go see a waterfall. And this one is just one waterfall. It's 50 minutes walk from here, and it's a pretty big waterfall, so I think it will be fun. For me and back, it's gonna take 2 hours. For them, it's gonna take 1.5 hours. Anyway, let's go. Let's go see a waterfall, a big one. It's so beautiful! Everything, the roads, oh. It's like the water is coming from under the ground in that little hole and then running out. Awesome! So I just met 2 girls and they were laughing at my shoes and said that I was very brave. And I do not understand why. We have a little mushroom! Do you think it's psychedelic? Should I try? All the sounds! I don't know if you can hear them. But they're amazing. It's like these cockroaches and birds and bugs and everything at the same time. It sounds so cool. Resting place, 2 resting places. But we are not going to rest until we have reached our goal. Vamonos! Look at these huge leaves, holy shit. And right there, you can see like the small ones getting born. Fuck, this is cool. Oh. It's like a pool! Ah. But this is not the final one, so we will keep on going. We cannot stop here, even though it's beautiful. I just met another group that complain about my footwear. I think it's great! Just look at them! They're doing the job perfectly. A 100 meters left, guys! Fuck yeah! Look at that staircase! Ah! Oh my! Holy smoke! What? It's so wet in there! What? Alright, so this is the plan. I don't know how well you hear me because the waterfall is very strong. But we are beneath the big one now, and I'm for sure gonna go up there and take a swim. But I need to like change my clothes here because up there is like swarming with water everywhere, so I cannot like open my bag there because everything in my bag will be totally soaked if I do that. So we change here, go back up and take a little swim. Alright guys, let's fucking do this! Oh! Oh shit! This is huge! Oh! Oh! Holy shit! Oh, where can we put this? Ah! Oh, it's coming so hard! Ah! Hi, Mom! filled with the like endorphins and shit. Oh, that was so amazing. It was that was good. Fuck, it's a centipede. Oh.